Let's talk about meiosis. So, before we talk about meiosis, let's do a quick review of mitosis. During mitosis, we produce two identical body cells. So, if you accidentally get a cut on your finger, your skin cells are going to go through mitosis and make identical skin cells. Another word for body cells is somatic. So the human skin cell has 46 chromosomes. Mitosis makes two identical somatic skin cells with 46 chromosomes each. So in our somatic skin cells, and those somatic body cells, they have two copies of every type of chromosome. So we call them diploid because they have two copies. You could think of that D in diploid as double. It's double copies. And we often write it as 2n, almost like in algebra where it's 2 times the number. Next, we have this idea of homologous chromosomes. Remember that prefix homo means same. So homologous chromosomes have genes for the same traits arranged in the same order. So humans have 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. 23 plus 23 makes 46. That's how we get that diploid number. So why do we have to go through meiosis? If meiosis didn't occur, let's say we have a sperm cell with 46 chromosomes, which is the normal amount of chromosomes for a human, and an egg cell with 46 chromosomes. When they come together, the zygote is going to have 92 chromosomes. That is way too many. That is really bad. We don't need 92 chromosomes. So, egg cells and sperm cells have to go through meiosis. Meiosis reduces the usual number by half. So, our sperm cell has 23 chromosomes, our egg cell has 23 chromosomes, and when they come together, the zygote has 46 chromosomes. It has that normal amount again. We call egg and sperm gametes, or sex cells, and they're haploid, meaning they only have one copy of each homologous pair. So that H in haploid, you can think half the diploid number, normal number, versus diploid, we think double. It's double copies, two copies. Haploid has half of that. It only has one copy. Let's do some practice problems. The diploid number of chromosomes for a tiger is 38. How many chromosomes are in each of its body cells? Let's see. Diploid means 2n. So 2n is equal to 38. cell is diploid. So body cell has that 2n number. So each body cell has 38 chromosomes. Let's look at number 2. Cow gametes have 30 chromosomes. How many chromosomes are in each heart cell? According to our little orange cheat sheet, a gamete is equal to n, equal to 30. So n equals 30. The heart cell is a body cell, meaning it's diploid. It's 2n. 2 times 30, which is our n, equals 60. So there are 60 chromosomes in each heart cell of a cow. Finally, a wild dog has a diploid number of chromosomes of 78. How many chromosomes are found in each sperm cell of the dog? Our diploid number is 2n, which is equal to 78. But we're asked about sperm cells, which is only equal to n. (78) divided by 2, n equals 39. Luckily, since we've already learned our phases of mitosis, the phases of meiosis should look similar. The first step, we have to replicate our DNA and replicate ourselves in interphase. After interphase, we are going to go through 2 rounds of cell division, 2 rounds of PMAT. Lastly, we have this idea of crossing over. So during the process of crossing over, homologous chromosomes are going to pair up and exchange genetic information, almost like they're trading shoes. And because we trade our genetic information, we get unique combinations in each of our sex cells. That's why you don't look 100% identical to your siblings. It's because you came from a unique genetic combination. So let's look at those stages. So we're going to replicate our DNA, and then we're going to go through meiosis 1. Then, after meiosis 1, we're going to go into meiosis 2, where we divide again. And you can see each of these 4 cells at the end has unique genes.